What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing, well, I don't know what I'm unboxing yet. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Alright, so we're gonna see what's in the box. Let's open it up here. There we go. Now, I'm not actually sure what's in this one. It is a big box. Ooh, we have a new aosu. I actually just learned how to say this. This is aosu, and it is a solar-powered wireless security camera and spotlight. So you can see this is actually a 360, or almost 360 rotating camera. It can spin all the way around, go up, down, left, and right. Obviously it can't, look in on itself and everything, but it's a pretty wide range of view camera. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off of this. This plastic does not want to come off. All right, so plastic is coming off. So here we have the aosu solar powered wireless security camera and spotlight. If we look on this side right here, we can see that you can view it on your phone, live view and recording history, has Ultra HD video, real-time notifications, two-way talk, and smart motion alerts, and you can use the aosu app to view those. On the other side, we see it has a 360-degree panoramic view, full color day and night vision, Wi-Fi connected, security siren if anyone tries to remove it, motion activated LED spotlights, and those can be turned on or off, and weather resistant design. You can also see that it is compatible with Google Home, Google Play, Amazon Alexa, and all that good stuff as well. If we look in the back, we can see everything that this comes with. It has the camera itself, a separate solar panel. Some of the aosu cameras actually have a built-in solar panel. This one allows you to place it away from the camera in a better spot of the sun. That might actually be a great feature for some installations. Mounting bracket, screw packs, and position stickers, quick start guide, and a charging cable. So again, this does work with Alexa and Google Home. So let's go ahead and open this up.
What I found from thefanatic.net. Google Home is a smart speaker created by
Alexa, stop. So she's listening. We can open up the box and see what's inside. So we start off with the instruction manual here. You can see that it's a separate solar panel from the camera. We have our monitored by aosu sticker, and now here we go. Let me put the box down for a second so I can show you the first part here. So this is the solar panel. So very small, lightweight design, and it has a tripod mount, standard camera mount here. You can connect this to the mounts they give you, or I'm sure a lot of other installation methods exist for this, because it is just a standard tripod mount. And then we have the connector here, which if you look inside, it's actually a USB-C connector. So pretty versatile there in usage, but it does have a screw-on design to ensure that that stays weatherproof. So pretty interesting to see. Might actually have some fun videos for that later. We'll see. So let's go and see what else is in the box. We have some more foam, very well packaged, I will say that. Let me go ahead and cover up our solar panel to keep it safe. We have a USB-C charging cable here. So it comes with the charging cable. That's nice to see. Nice to see the C. We have our mounting clip here, so we can see that it actually clips on, and then we're able to screw it in first, and then essentially clip it on to the device. We have another mounting device here. We have our tripod mount here, so we can actually place this on one of the mounts and then screw in our solar panel. We have our mounting sticker, plenty of mounting hardware, and it's labeled so that we know what everything is. And now for the fun part. So it's got a little plastic on it. Let's do the peel. Let's grab it from the top. Wait, into the mic. Ooh. All right, so we have the aosu camera, and we can see the LED lights surrounding the camera, giving it a better view, essentially whatever it's looking at, because it's going to be going all the way around instead of just a single spot. That's very nice to see. We have the different sensors involved with detecting if it needs night vision or daytime, and a very large camera sensor there. So this is actually not 2K, this is 3K. So you're not dealing with a low quality 1080p image. You're actually getting, they list it as 5 megapixel UHD at 2880 by 1620. So it's even higher resolution than 2K. It's going to give you a great image on here. We have the speaker in back, and we have the micro SD card and buttons on top here, so you can have local storage as well as, or you can have cloud storage as well. So if you sign up to their plan, you can actually have monthly cloud storage where it saves all of the interactions onto the cloud. That way, if someone does happen to steal this, you still have access to all the videos. Otherwise, it is stored on this SD card right here. Now we can see out the back, we have the cable, and this is a standard USB-C input. So we would essentially screw that into the solar panel here. So first we would plug in the USB-C just like that. And once it's in, we would weatherproof it by screwing in this plastic cover. And that's all there is to it. Super easy to plug it in and unplug it. You just unscrew this here and yank it out. Now, I have used the Solarcam D1 in the past. This is the D1 Max. So this is actually a higher end version of the D1. So while I can speak on the original D1, which had amazing quality, it was only, I think, 1080p or 2K. This is actually a much higher end lens than the D1. It's the D1 Max, and I think I'm very excited to try this out and see what they have to offer in terms of these higher quality security cameras. So I'm going to get this installed, and I will make a video of how to install it, as well as some examples of video quality, because I know that's going to be super important to this one as well, and I'll let you know what I think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Peace.
Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect. MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.